All right. We have a section called Secret Sauce.
Listen up. It's the secret sauce.
And secret sauce is this. What's one thing that's working well in your pickup and delivery business that other owners who are doing pickup and delivery could utilize in their business and help them out?
Mm-hmm. Well, honestly, the thing that I think is the most important that just in conversation with other laundromat owners and people wanting to start pickup and delivery, I think gets overlooked. And it's something very simple, very basic, and it doesn't cost you anything. And that's taking the time with your customer, like really getting to know the demographics of your area and what their needs are. I think it gets overlooked. So, like it gets overlooked. You're like, okay, I got the laundromat and I'm already doing this and I see the people that come in, but taking that time to kind of ask them how their day is and kind of, see what else they could need and getting in the community and seeing what can be provided to really be able to connect with your clientele. I think that gets overlooked when it's the most vital thing is to be able to see what else you can do for them, rather what they can do for you. As far as anything else, learn as slowly, like day by day, take some time to learn a little bit more about technology. Things are going that way. You're still going to have we do have clientele, older clientele that call us and like, hey, I don't know anything about this tech. Help me out.
Right. Yeah.
But they like not having to write a check or to just be able to put the card there and it's there and they don't ever have to worry about it. The other children can and they don't ever have to worry about it, and we'll call them up, if there's any issues. They like, the easiness of it after they get past the first steps of it. Yeah. But everything's going that way. So just taking a little bit of time to learn about how to use tech to make your business easier for clients, like the quarters, like we were speaking with the quarters. If that laundromat had a card machine, where I can just do a card, even if it's their card and not my credit card, then, how some have like their cards, then that would be so much easier. We probably would do even more at that particular laundromat because I don't have to worry about the quarters,
Right. Yeah.
Like just those little things like that to make it easier. I think implementing some tech into your system does help a lot. And it helps you be able to keep track of things as well, with your business.
Those are awesome tips. And I have a genius idea for you since you're such a serial entrepreneur. Since those laundromat owners are not upping their technology, I think it's time for you to invent a speed quarter loader so that you can load those machines up real fast and just really get good at that.
Yes.
That's funny.
I'm always looking for new ways to improve. Yes, go ahead, honey. So sorry.
No, that's okay. Awesome. Okay. So I'm looking forward to that and I'll buy one when you get one.
Yes.
Okay, good.